Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. Have a look at this beauty. This is a 2018 BMW M240i xDrive. Wow, what a nice car. This has just over 134,000 kilometers on it. It is in incredible condition. And if you've never driven an M2 or 2 Series BMW, you are really missing out on a treat. This is such a well-balanced coupe. Man, oh man, it is a ton of fun to drive. And let's face it, it looks really, really nice too. We're gonna take you on a tour of the condition and the features on this M240 so you can have a great look at it from the comfort of your own home, and then visit us here at Clarington Kia to jump behind the wheel. Now, under the hood features a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder twin turbo engine. This is all connected to an 8-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission, 335 horsepower in this little BMW coupe. That is a 0 to 100 time of 4.4 seconds, and it is all-wheel drive. I mean, wow, it is so much fun to drive, but it's also nice to just cruise around it. You don't have to break any speed laws or anything like that to have fun. It is really just an impressive coupe. Now, this is the M240, so it does come with an array of great M features. The M is their sports model for BMW, such as these 18-inch M twin-spoke alloy wheels, absolutely fantastic tires. We also have the M Performance brakes. You can see that nice brake caliper underneath. It's got the M logo on there, plus the adaptive sport suspension. So it is customizable. It is, I'm so sorry for the noise. They're doing construction next door. It is a customizable suspension. It will definitely handle what you want to throw at it. LED turn signals in the side view mirrors, and then coming around to the back, get a nice look at this cool lip spoiler on the top of the trunk lid. We have the xDrive badge for the all-wheel drive indication. Taking a step back, look at the nice dual exhaust down below. Those look really nice. And then the M240i badge on the back of the trunk lid. Now, opening this up, what I like the most about this trunk, other than the fact you can fit a full set of golf clubs in here, you do have the option to fold down just that middle portion. So the 40-20-40 split seat, folding down that middle section, put hockey stick longer objects in the back, and that to me is helpful. Yes, we do have to put a screw in there, don't worry. Coming around the passenger side, get a look at all 4 corners. Aside from that rear plate bracket, it is in great condition. And then up to the front with these traditional BMW LED headlights. I mean, everybody knows these. Isn't that nice? The angel eye look, love that. Taking a step back, the kidney front grills, and then of course you've got this lower M bumper, which is just a much more aggressive look to it, and the beautiful BMW badge. Now let's go take a look inside. So opening up the coupe, have a look at the beautiful leather interior. We've got a power sunroof up top, the blue contrast stitching, the little M flag there in the side of the seat, and then it is a power driver seat as well as a power passenger seat, and absolutely ton of adjustments on this seat, as you can see here. So it is very customizable. Obviously you want the bolstering, you want everything, just in case you are throwing it through a couple of little corners, of course on the track, right? Never in the streets, no. M240 door sill plate, and then in the back seats, if you do have back passengers back there, it's not bad back there as well. Nice leather seating. All right, let's hop in. Oh, super comfortable seats in this. Now, having a look here, you can see we've got a beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel. We have the M logo in the bottom of the wheel here. Our Tiptronic shifting behind the wheel, so you can go through that 8-speed you can go through the 8-speed automatic manually. Wow, that was a weird tongue twister. Now, checking out the driver's gauges, 134,294 kilometers. Love the fact that it has the M240 logo there as well. That's pretty neat. And then take a look at this center console. If this is your first time looking at a BMW, this is very, very traditional. I love this interior. Now, this infotainment system up top, you can see it does have the onboard navigation. We have Sirius XM satellite radio as well. And then we have the connected drive. So that's a subscription service from BMW. Really cool features with that as well. And of course, when we put it into reverse, we have our rear view camera with the front and rear sonar. So parking this is really nice and easy. And you may have been wondering, how am I accessing all this cool stuff? Well, that is with the command controller here. So this works just like a joystick. You can even draw on here. So like if you wanted to tune to a radio station, you can just draw 102.1 and it'll go to 102.1. It's really neat. Back option, map, menu, navi, all that, all little hot buttons here, and then your joystick, left, right, up, down, all that cool stuff right through the command controller. Now we've got a CD player on this. That's right, 2018 had a CD player, which is nice to have. Dual zone climate control, your heated front seats are all right there as well. A little bit of storage, your cup holders, and then check out the BMW Kia. I love just the little blue highlights that you have on there as well. And then our gear selector here, our gear shifter. So you can see you do have that manual mode available there, and you can shift with the shifter or just with the paddles on the wheel. And then here are our different drive modes. So sport and eco and pro, all that is there. And then of course you can go here to the menu system and go to, is it my vehicle, I believe? Click on that. Yeah, the iDrive settings. You can go through there. Driver profiles, everything is all available right here. And then you can kind of see the sub menu to the right hand side. But really just, it is a unbelievable car to drive, and that's what I really want you to experience, and I can't show you that in the video, unfortunately. So be sure to check that out. Here is our Carfax year, 2018. So there is an accident, I'll show you that. 19 service records, that's the more important part. There's no question of whether or not this vehicle was maintained. The accident, 2018, when it was brand new, says minor damage rear end, no dollar amount, so I don't believe there was any real damage there. And then in 2024, $2,848, and let's face it, that is almost nothing as well. But look at all the nice service history that we have on the Carfax, so you can go through and check all of that as well, and that is fantastic to have. Obviously, with an older vehicle, you want to know, was it maintained? Well, it absolutely was. It's in fantastic condition, and it is here at Clarington Kia. So come to us, check this out, take it out for a drive. You're not going to want to give the keys back. This M240 really is something special when you get behind the wheel. So come check it out. I'm sure you will agree. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon at Clarington Kia.